All right, Miss Alyssa Mitchell, unmute your microphone. State your full name.
Arlisa Mitchell.
All right, Ms. Mitchell, you have ticket number SP 142-08631. The People versus Alyssa. Excuse me. Alyssa, ARLISA, Mitchell, MITCHELL. Ms. Mitchell, you're scheduled to go to trial today for a ticket that you received for operating a motor vehicle without a license. We have checked the system, ma'am, and find that you have a license today. You are current your license. As a result of that, the people are moving to dismiss this matter. It is dismissed. You are free to go, Ms. Mitchell.
Thank you, sir.
We are also ready on Myron Minor.
Yes.
All right. Mr. Minor, let's see, where are you? Good morning, sir. I need you to raise your right hand. State your full name.
Minor.
Mr. Minor, do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes.
You may lower your hand, sir. Mr. Minor, you have ticket number SF 8687511. People versus Myron, MYRON, Minor, MINOR. Mr. Minor, on this ticket, you have a misdemeanor without a valid driver's license. You have ticket number U521544119. Like that, as I said, 2 4s. It's only U521544119. You have a misdemeanor for disorderly conduct. 162815691. Suspended license. 162815692. You have a misdemeanor for an unregistered or untitled motor vehicle. 162815693. Misdemeanor for no insurance. 174092941. Drive while license suspended. 184826271. Misdemeanor for no insurance. 184826272. Misdemeanor for no operator's license. 184826273. Misdemeanor for unregistered. 194855601. For improper license. 217370121. Misdemeanor for unregistered or untitled motor vehicle. 217370122. A misdemeanor for driving license suspended. That appears to be all. It's enough. You're charged with each of those matters. Madam Counsel.
Good morning, Cherica Harris, P72832 on behalf of Mr. Minor. We have discussed his rights. At this time, we are respectfully requesting a trial date, Your Honor.
Very well. What type of trial date are we requesting, counsel?
Trial by judge, Your Honor, please and thank you.
Thank you so much. Mr. Minor, you've had an opportunity to consult with counsel and she's given you her learned advice. Sir, you have an absolute right to a trial. You have a choice of trial by judge or by jury. You understand that, correct, sir?
Yes.
And it is your decision, sir, to have a trial by judge?
Yes.
Very well, Mr. Minor. Sir, we will give you a trial date. Your trial date will be November the 7th. November the 7th, you will come back here at 9 o'clock. It will be on Zoom. Mr. Minor, if you have anyone that you want to testify on your behalf, in other words, if you have any witnesses that can support your case or help you, you can have them come out here on Zoom at the same time. They must be in a different location, however. In other words, you cannot be in a place where you can hear each other speak. They have to be in a different location. They can come out here at 9 o'clock. The first thing you have to do and the first thing they have to do is, after we address you, is to tell us that they are a witness, or you have a witness in their name, because we have a lot of people out here just like today. We will be looking to see if somebody's in the right courtroom or in on my docket or not. So they tell me that they're a witness on your case. I know they're in the right place and we can separate them and they can be prepared to testify on your case. You got that, Mr. Minor?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. We will see you at November 7th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
You are free to go, sir. Good luck to you.
All right. Thank you.
Madam Court Reporter,
Yes, Judge.
Officer Gibson is out there. I don't know if he dropped off or not, but he's here for Raymar McGee.
I think he was here, you're right.
Yeah, he was here. That's why I'm letting you know. He's just coming back in. Madam Clerk,
I'm sorry, what page is that on, Judge?
Mr. McGee is on page 2, about 10 names up from the bottom.
Okay. Oh, Raymar?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Madam Clerk,
Yes,
would you mind if we put all the officers in a breakout room so we don't have so many people on the screen when I'm calling cases?
sure.
Okay. Madam Clerk,
You want me to do that, Madam Clerk?
Sure, if you want to put them like in either the last room or room 30 or something like that. It's up to you.
Okay, I can do that. I am sorry.
Mr. Munger, did either of the attorneys speak to you? Because I see you're out here in the main session. Stephen Munger?
Yes,
Okay.
Attorney Barry talked to me.
Oh, so he told you to come out to the main session?
Well, no, I was in the session by myself, but my mother had called me. I was trying to tell her that I was in court and had kicked me out the court.
Okay, so y'all didn't get a chance to finish talking. You remember what room you were in?
6.
Okay, I'm gonna put you back in there.
All right.
Attorney Barry, I put him back in room 6 so that you can talk to him.
Thank you. I'm waiting. We need an offer. Thank you.
No problem. I don't think it's gonna get any lower. Oh, he already went back in there. Then what it is, it's a fail to display. It can't get any lower than that, and he doesn't have a license. So
So there we are.
yeah.
I'll just have to explain it to him, counsel.
So is the court prepared to proceed in that way, Your Honor?
I don't know what you mean, counsel. In what way? In what purpose?
With regard to Mr. Monger and his charge of
Well, they have.
operating off.
Well, he has an offer, sir. It's just if he wants to take the offer or not. So we're prepared to, the people have made an offer and we'll go with that if he wants it.
Mr. Berry, I'm sending you a message in the chat.
Well, last night I told him I still had some cake. I had finished because the meeting went over 15 minutes. Yeah. And Carmen was finally said, okay.
Madam Clerk, you're open.
Okay.
I'm going to bring in Officer Nelson. Officer Nelson, who are you here for? Okay.
Your Honor, did Mr. Munger have civil infractions?
Hold on, counsel, I have to find out from the clerk, right?
What's the question?
Whether Mr. Munger had civil infractions?
I'll check and see.
And Your Honor, I was not aware that he had an offer. That's, if he has an offer.
Madam Clerk is the one who indicated that he has an offer for.
Well,
And
it's not necessarily an offer. His charges failed to display, so it can't go any lower than that.
No.
So he's already charged with an FTD.
oh, yeah.
No, the only case I have for him scheduled today is this case. Everything else he has is closed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I am going to try to bring in Officer Nelson again.
Okay.
Is Ms. Rogers in the courtroom or will she be zooming in?
She said she will be over shortly.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
And I'll need all of the information for Mr. McDuffie. Please and thank you. I thought you
sure.
said there might be more cases, so I didn't know if we confirmed that or not.
He has one ticket for 16 to 20 miles over the speed limit. He has another one, driving while license not valid, and he's not currently licensed. And then another ticket for driving while license not valid.
Thank you, Madam Clerk.
No problem.
Good morning, Officer Nelson. Are you here for Rashad Miller?
Yes.
All right, thank you. You got that, Madam Court Reporter?
I am looking for the name.
Top of page 3, maybe 3 people down, Rashad Miller.
Got it.
Teamwork.
Thank you. Officer Miller, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with the rest of the officers.
You said Officer Nelson or Miller's the person we're on the case with?
What did I say? I said Officer Miller?
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Officer.
No.
It's been a long day already, Officer Nelson. See, I'm about to do it.
I am right there with you.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's so much easier to do a docket when we have some of those names off the screen, not looking up trying to find people. Madam Clerk?
Yes.
I see that Attorney Harris put a note out there. She wants to know the case status of Shaquan Mitchell, who has 3 driver license cases. So she just wants to know the status of his license.
No, not the status of his license.
When you see a case,
Yes, at interpreting my note. But it was, two of them are very old, 2011, 2012. And one is from 2017. I wanted to see, did he already plea on these possibly? Two of them don't show up when you search his name. So I don't even know, are they still open or not?
Okay. I apologize. I see a case status, and I thought because they were
Alright.
all licensed cases, we wanted to check to see if he had a license. All right.
It was a good guess at my note taking. Sometimes I confuse myself. I had to look back and say, why did I write that?
Okay. See, I thought you was in the breakout room, so I was going to get away with that. I was discovered.
Attorney Harris, all the tickets are open and valid and have not been pled to. Now, whether they'll dismiss them for the age of the ticket or not is a whole nother conversation, but
And I,
to answer the license question, no, he does not have a valid license right now.
well, thank you.
I tell you,
No.
Tony, thorough.
That's what they're bringing for.
When we look him up in the public on the website, that doesn't come up. Is there a reason?
That's an IT question. I can't answer that one.
Because I was wondering if it was a part of that, that clean slate thing where they got rid of so many.
The clean slate cases are only for cases that's already been adjudicated.
Got it. Thank you.
No problem.
Isn't she also, Madam Attorney Harris?
She is.
I appreciate your kind words.
Cornucopia of knowledge.
Just on, I've been in lockdown for 17 years. I mean, I've been working here for 17 years.
Okay, probably gonna get a whole lot of questions about that one.
Let me check. I'm gonna check the live stream and see if people commented on that one.
Do they have quitting parties? I know they have retirement parties. Do they have quitting? Sure.
Well, we don't check the status. We get free parties.
Oh.
We
As long as it's
retired.